Hi kids! Are you ready to learn some magic reading words? These are called sight words. The dog, and a cat, and a cat, and a dog. You are great. 2. He is talking to his friend. It is red. In, toys in a box. We are cooking. I can jump. See, I can see. I am happy. It is big. He is tall. She is kind. Me, I love me. My pet. I like ice cream. Go, let's go. Come here. Down, going down. Up, going up. Not, do not touch. Here, I am here. We are friends. 4. A gift for you. On, a cat on a chair. Off, turn the light off. With, play with me. Little, a little bird. Big, a big elephant. This is my book. That, look at that balloon. One apple. Two shoes. Let's make a card. Look at the sky. Help me. Play with me, Dad. Funny, you are funny. Jump, I can jump. He said, hello. Ride, I ride a bike. Run, I run fast. I run fast. Who are you? Why is the sky blue? I have a pet cat. She has a book. I had a red balloon. Where is my toy? She was in the park yesterday. The, and, you, to, it. In, we, can. See, am, is, he, she, me, my, like. Go, come, down, up, not, here. Are, for, on, off, with, little, big. This, that. 1, 2. Make, look, help. Play, funny, jump, said, ride, run, fast. Who, why, have, has, had. Where, was.